Today I want to talk about something that affects almost every decision we make in life, our money mindset. When most people think about money, they think about numbers, salaries, investments, or expenses. But the truth is, money is not just about math, it is about psychology. The way we think about money shapes how we earn it, spend it, save it, and grow it. Many people struggle financially not because they lack intelligence or opportunity, but because they have a limiting mindset about money. The good news is that mindset can change. So today, I will discuss 3 things. What a money mindset is, how negative money beliefs are formed. Practical steps to change your money mindset. 1. What is a money mindset? A money mindset is the set of beliefs, attitudes, and emotions you have about money. These beliefs influence how you handle finances. For example, some people believe money is hard to earn. Rich people are greedy. I will never be good with money. Others believe money is a tool for opportunity. I can learn how to manage money. I deserve financial success. Both groups face challenges, but the difference is in how they respond to opportunities and setbacks. People with a scarcity mindset believe there is never enough money. They often feel fear, stress, and insecurity around finances. People with an abundance mindset believe there are opportunities to create wealth and improve their financial situation. They see money as something they can grow and manage wisely. Your mindset does not guarantee success or failure, but it strongly influences your financial decisions. 2. How our money beliefs are formed. Most of our beliefs about money are formed during childhood. We learn from our parents, our community, cultural messages, personal experiences. For example, if someone grows up hearing phrases like, "Money doesn't grow on trees," "We can't afford that," "Rich people are selfish," these messages can create fear or guilt around money. On the other hand, someone who grows up hearing, "Money is something we can learn to manage," "Saving and investing help build our future," may develop healthier financial habits. Another factor is personal experience. Someone who experienced financial struggle might develop a fear of spending. Another person who suddenly gained money might spend irresponsibly because they never learned how to manage it. Understanding where your beliefs come from is the first step to changing them. 3. Signs of a negative money mindset. Before changing your mindset, you need to recognize unhealthy patterns. Some common signs include feeling anxious whenever you think about money, avoiding financial planning, believing you will never improve your financial situation, comparing yourself constantly to others, thinking money problems are permanent. These beliefs can become self-fulfilling. If someone believes they are bad with money, they may avoid budgeting or learning about finances, which leads to more financial mistakes. 4. Step 1. Become aware of your money beliefs. The first step to changing your mindset is awareness. Ask yourself questions like, what did my family teach me about money? Do I feel fear, guilt, or confidence when dealing with money? Do I believe financial success is possible for me? Sometimes writing down your thoughts about money can reveal hidden beliefs. For example, if you notice thoughts like, "I will never have enough money," you can challenge that belief by asking, is this a fact or is this just a belief I learned? Awareness helps you separate facts from assumptions. 5. Step 2. Replace limiting beliefs. Once you recognize limiting beliefs, the next step is replacing them with empowering ones. For example, instead of saying, "I'm terrible with money," you can say, "I am learning to manage money better every day." Instead of, "Rich people are greedy," try, "Money allows people to create opportunities and help others." Changing these beliefs may feel uncomfortable at first, but repeated positive thinking can gradually reshape your mindset. 6. Step 3. Improve financial education. Another powerful way to change your money mindset is learning about money. Many people fear finances simply because they were never taught how money works. Learning basic financial skills can increase confidence, such as budgeting, saving, investing, managing debt. Financial knowledge helps you move from fear to control. When you understand how money works, you begin to see possibilities instead of problems. 7. Step 4. Build positive financial habits. Mindset change also requires action. Small habits can transform how you think about money. Examples include tracking your spending, saving a small percentage of your income, setting financial goals, reviewing your finances regularly. These habits create a sense of progress and control. Even small achievements, like saving a little money each month, can strengthen a positive mindset. 8. Step 5. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people and information around you affect your mindset. If you constantly hear negative messages like success is impossible or the economy is hopeless, it can reinforce fear. Instead, surround yourself with people who encourage growth, financial education resources, positive success stories. Learning from people who improved their financial situation can inspire confidence. 9. Step 6. Be patient with the process. Changing a money mindset does not happen overnight. Beliefs that were formed over many years take time to change. There may still be moments of doubt or mistakes along the way. However, every small step toward better financial thinking creates progress. The goal is not perfection. The goal is continuous improvement. In conclusion, your relationship with money begins with your mindset. Money is not only about income or expenses, it is about beliefs, habits, and attitudes. Today we discussed Kalon. What a money mindset is, how negative money beliefs are formed, and practical steps to change them. By becoming aware of your beliefs, replacing limiting thoughts, improving financial knowledge, building positive habits, and surrounding yourself with supportive influences, you can gradually transform how you think about money. When your mindset changes, your financial decisions begin to change as well. And over time, those decisions create a more secure and empowered financial future. Thank you for listening.